Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this session what we are going to learn. In this session we are going to install the Ubuntu latest LTS image, which is 20.04.2 on our Raspberry Pi 4. Okay, but before we move to our practical, friends, if you learn something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel. Okay friends, thank you. So let's start. So friends, here we are going to install our latest LTS 20.04.2 on our Raspberry Pi 4. But in today's session we are not going to use Windows system or Windows machine. We are going to use our Ubuntu desktop, Ubuntu Gorilla Groovy. So first, of course, we need here Raspberry Pi 4 image. Okay, so this is what the website, their official web page. Okay, as you can see, and here we have to simply go to the get Ubuntu for the Raspberry Pi. I will mention the link. You have to just visit their link and download the image file. Then scroll down, and this is what our image. Okay, Ubuntu server 20.04.2 LTS. Simply we have to click on download 64-bit button and it will download your image. So I have already downloaded the image. I am going to go inside the files in downloads, and this is what our image. As you can see, this is what our image, Ubuntu 20.04.2. okay, so we have our image. Now we need to RPi imager. We need here RPi imager to flash our image inside our SD card. So simply open the terminal, and here we are going to run the command sudo snap install RPi imager. This is what the command, sudo space snap space install space RPi imager, then just hit enter. Okay, and as you can see, it says that RPi imager is already installed because I have already installed it. So you have to just run the command sudo space snap space install space RPi imager, then it will install RPi imager on your Ubuntu Gorilla Groovy desktop. Okay, so I'm going to minimize the terminal and I'm going to go here, show application, and here it is what our imager. Okay, so simply click it and RPi imager is now open. So choose OS. Okay, of course we are going to choose a custom, use custom, click on it, select your image. Okay, Ubuntu 20.04.2, open, choose SD card, select it, your SD card. This is what my SD card, 15.9 GB, and simply click on right button. It will write the image inside your SD card, which I have already done it. Okay, so we have we download our image, then we install RPi imager, then we flash the image. Now we are ready to boot with our 20.04.2 LTS image on our Raspberry Pi 4. So I am going to just remove SD card and I am going to insert the card inside Raspberry Pi 4. Then I am going to use here a Ethernet cable to connect Raspberry Pi 4 to my router. Okay, so simply I am going to move to further setup. Then we are going to just SSH our Raspberry Pi 4 into our this Gorilla Groovy desktop Ubuntu. Okay, so friends, I have power on Raspberry Pi 4. Also I have connected Raspberry Pi 4 to my router using our Ethernet cable. Okay, now I want to know the IP address of my Raspberry Pi 4. So simply I am going to open my router default page. Okay, so this is what my router default web page, or just a router default page, and here the Ubuntu is the host name and the IP address is 192.168.0.107. So our Raspberry Pi 4 machine IP address is 192.168.0.107. okay, I'm going to open the terminal. Okay, then I'm going to open another tab, and then I'm to make zoom in for clarity, and here I am going to access our Raspberry Pi 4. As I told you, in Ubuntu 20.04.2 there is a SSH services by default enabled. So we are going to simply SSH our Raspberry Pi 4 on Ubuntu Gorilla Groovy desktop. Okay, so simply run the command sudo space SSH space the user is Ubuntu for our Raspberry Pi 4 20.04.2 LTS version. Okay, so Ubuntu is the user, at the rate, then IP address of our Raspberry Pi 4 machine 192.168.0.107. okay, so sudo space ssh space Ubuntu is user at the rate the machine IP address of your Raspberry Pi 4. okay, in my case my IP address is 192.168.0.107. that's it. Simply hit enter. Here we have to first it's asked here to enter the Ubuntu Gorilla Groovy sudo password. okay, not this is not our Raspberry Pi 4 machine password. okay, as you can see the Freedom Tech is our Ubuntu Gorilla Groovy user. okay, so here I want to mention the sudo password because we are going to access the SSH. so for that of course we need to enter here sudo password. So enter. So it shows here, but we are going to solve the error. Simply we are going to copy this line and just paste here. okay, so I'm going to copy the line. So friends, if you got this error, this SSH keygen error, simply you have to copy this line. okay, this line, and just paste and just hit enter. okay, just a minute, we have to mention here a sudo. okay, so sudo and our this line, this command. okay, and just hit enter. Then clear the screen, and I am going to again run our SSH service. sudo space SSH Ubuntu is user and our Raspberry Pi 4 machine IP address. Simply hit enter, click on yes, mention the yes, and now we want to mention here our Ubuntu user password. So the default user is Ubuntu and password is also Ubuntu. So Ubuntu, hit enter, and as you can see friends, we are now login. Current password, I hope now you can see clear. So current password, so Ubuntu is current password. It basically says here that you have to change the password. So current password is Ubuntu. Then we are going to mention here our new password for Ubuntu user. So I am going to entering the new password and hit enter. okay, so it just closed the session because we changed the password. Now again we are going to take the session. So sudo space ssh Ubuntu user and IP address of our Raspberry Pi machine, enter, and in that time, right now we are going to enter our new password. And as you can see friends, we are now successfully accessing our Ubuntu 20.04.2 on our Raspberry Pi 4 using SSH service. okay, so this is what our Raspberry Pi 4 terminal, and this is what Ubuntu Gorilla Groovy desktop terminal. I am going to make clear the screen. So Freedom Tech, and this is what Ubuntu user Raspberry Pi machine, and this is what our Ubuntu Gorilla Groovy desktop machine terminal. So friends, from here we want to access our Raspberry Pi 4 Ubuntu 20.04.2 GUI mode basically. okay, so for that we are going to simply first run the command sudo apt update on our Raspberry Pi 4. okay, so it will update the repo and packages. All packages are updated. Now here we are going to install the desktop package. So sudo apt install desktop, not desktop, Ubuntu desktop, Ubuntu hyphen desktop. okay, this is what the command, sudo apt install Ubuntu hyphen desktop. Just hit enter, and as you can see it will install desktop package 2710 MB packages. So simply press Y, enter, and now packages are installed. okay friends, so meanwhile I am going to we are going to access our Raspberry Pi 4 remote desktop on our Ubuntu Gorilla Groovy, because we don't have a keyboard, then mouse, then external LCD. So how we can access our GUI mode? For that we need to install on our Ubuntu Gorilla Groovy Remina. Okay, Remina is basically help us to access the Raspberry Pi 4 remotely. So sudo, this is what our Gorilla Groovy desktop terminal. Okay, so sudo apt install Remina. Okay, then just hit enter, and it says that Remina is already the newest version because I have already installed Remina on Ubuntu Gorilla Groovy. So friends, our Ubuntu desktop package is installing on our Raspberry Pi 4. Then we are ready to access our Raspberry Pi 4 with GUI mode on our Ubuntu Gorilla Groovy. Also we need to install XRDP package, but first it's we are installing our desktop package. Okay, so friends, we have successfully installed our Ubuntu desktop package on our Raspberry Pi 4. Now we are going to install another package. So first I want to clear the screen. Sudo space apt install XRDP. This is what the remote desktop package. Okay, it helps us to access our Raspberry Pi 4 remotely on our Ubuntu Gorilla Groovy. Okay, so enter it, and it's installing. So friends, we have successfully installed our another package also, XRDP. So we are going to now restart our service. XRDP sudo space /etc init.d/xrdp restart. Enter. It will restart our XRDP service. Now if I run the command if config, okay, there is no if config command. It says that you have to install apt install nettools. You can install it nettools, but I am going to, if there is no command if config, I am going to use here another command ip space a, and our IP address is 192.168.0.107. Now we are ready. We install Remina on our Ubuntu Gorilla Groovy desktop. We install Ubuntu desktop package on our Raspberry Pi 4. We install XRDP also on our Raspberry Pi 4. Now we are ready to access our Raspberry Pi 4 on Ubuntu Gorilla Groovy. So open the show applications, and here it is what our Remina. Open it. Okay, and here click on, here we want to mention the IP address of our Raspberry Pi 4 machine. So 192.168.0.107. username is Ubuntu, password is as per your password. You have to enter your password. Then in resolution we are going to set the custom resolution. We are going to set here 800 into 600. Then we are going to simply click on connecting, and as you can see friends, we are now accessing our LTS latest, which we install on our Raspberry Pi 4. We are accessing basically a GUI mode, okay, on our Ubuntu Gorilla Groovy. So click on next, typing English, keyboard layout. Also as you can see, you can set your Wi-Fi also here. So simply select your Wi-Fi and then set up the Wi-Fi, but I am going to just skip it. Skip, next, and start using Ubuntu. All the done. And friends, as you can see now, this is what our Ubuntu 20.04.2 LTS, the latest version. We are now accessing a GUI mode on our Ubuntu Gorilla Groovy desktop. Okay, so simply open activities, and terminal is there also. Here it is what our terminal, and if I run the command cat space /etc/os-release, hit enter, and this is what our 20.04.2 LTS. Okay, so from here you can update your packages and upgrade your version. Okay, So I hope you will learn something from this video, and you also install Ubuntu 20.04.2 latest LTS version on our Raspberry Pi 4. We will meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.